Okay, for problem number 5, they do not give us a table, so we have to set one up. When we do our table, we know that we need three spaces for voltage, current, and resistance, V, I, and R. This blank little spot's going to be because we need numbers along the top. So along the top, we have the total, which we'll always have. And for this one, we have two resistors, R1 and R2. So we'll label this 1 and 2. Okay, so for here, we're going to fill in what we know. 5 amps is the current. Current is the same everywhere in the circuit. Okay, our resistors, we're given R1 and R2. R1 is 6 ohms. R2 is 4 ohms. So we have 6 ohms and 4 ohms. To find our voltage or find our resistance is our next problem. So let's go ahead and look at resistance. We can do this in either order. So the total resistance, RT, is equal to R1 plus R2. So these two add up to be equal to our total. Is equal to 6 ohms plus 4 ohms. So our total is going to be 10 ohms. Okay. Along the top, V total is equal to I total times R total. V equals IR. So our V total is going to be our current times our resistance. 5 amps times 10 ohms. So 5 times 10 would give us 50 volts. Current 2, resistance 2, voltage 2. Current 1, resistance 1, voltage 1. We'll solve for this one next. V1 equals I1 times R1. We know voltage 1 is equal to our current, 5 amps, times resistance, 6 ohms. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 volts. Okay, this missing piece here. This plus 30 gives us 50. So we're looking for the missing piece. Or current times resistance would give us voltage. So let's do it this way. V3 equals I3 times R3. We'll do the same thing. Voltage 3 is current, 5 amps, times resistance, 24 ohms. 5 times 4 is 20. Or 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 gives us 50. So here's how we check if everything's correct. 50 plus 20 plus 30 gives us 50. All of the currents are the same here. 4 plus 6 gives us 10. So the rows are okay. Columns. V equals I times R. 50 equals 5 times 10. That's correct. 30 equals 5 times 6. That's correct. 20 equals 4 times 5. That's correct. So this is the correct answer for number 5. So question number 6, I'm going to let you guys do on your own. You want to set up your table for this.